The first meaning, how to use the word go, I think you already know. Karki dad badan way garanaysaa go manaysan waxa way tegid. Okay, lakin we are going swimming this afternoon. You see, I use the word go iyo waxa kabad ka mahalla swimming. So waxaan tegana mesha ina soo dabalasho sama laga yabaha. All right, the next example, go sightseeing. Go sightseeing. Sightseeing means dalhis. Marka tegesa dalhis ama tourismka wa istimal karta the word go iyo waxa kabad kasmahay wa sightseeing ama wa dalhis. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So dawada Iqra College magaygan wa Sara Brahman. Today I want to give you a lesson about go, meaning and expression. Tegid mana eda iyo kabka loo isticmaalaya. Iska warama subax wanaagsan meel walba joogta soo dhawaada, and please join me in this video. Now, the first meaning, how to use the word go, I think you already know. Karki dad badan way garanaysaa go manaysan waxa way tegid. Okay, lakin there are different ways to use the word go as well as to the meaning, different meaning. Well, today I want to give you five different ways. Okay, the first one is to leave a place so that you can do an activity, especially a fun activity. Yani mel ad markas kadib waxa kabad to do activity mahalla is a kormesha rallo. All right, so leave a place, yeah, then go another position to do something. Example, we are going swimming this afternoon. You see, I use the word go iyo waxa kabad ka mahalla swimming. So waxaan tegana mesha ina soo dabalasho sama laga yabaha. All right, the next example, go sightseeing. Go sightseeing. Sightseeing means dalhis. Marka tegesa dalhis ama tourismka wa istimal karta the word go iyo waxa kabad kasmahay wa sightseeing ama wa dalhis. Example sadahat no wa go shopping adegasho. Marka tegesa souk, yeah, wahede karta I am going shopping ama I will go shopping tomorrow, or I am going shopping with my brother aniyo walalke waxaan tegesa souk ina adegasho. So that's why the first way how to use the word go. Habka labat how to use the word go. Way number 2, when you are changing from a good state to a bad state, isbadalka o halada. For example, marki hore haladada ama afimadkaaga wanaagsan yihiin, lakin imikan maybe you are getting sick. Okay, so you can say I am going sick, I'm getting poorly. Example kale laga yaabay na qof dhalinyaro tahay sanadada hore, lakin imikan waxa noqotay qof weyn oo 8 sano jir 9 sano jir oo kale. We say we are going gray. Gray waa colorka sibid. So color sibid waa color cadaan maaha, mudoni maaha, right? So wada hat lakin awud badan ma leedahay. So we say going gray, meaning I am getting old. Example labat sadahat wa going bald. Marki hore tim badan ba histo tima weyn o afro markasi tintada laga yabo so we getting finished mahalla, getting finished. Yani marki hore tintada halkan so bilaba hadane tintada we fadala ni sokor halkasi. So kasna wahala da English matakana go bald. Go bald. Example afarat no Hawaii, go deaf. Deaf no ha kofka maklid. Dogol. Yes, when you cannot hear properly, when you start losing your hearing, so somebody has to talk to you by shouting hey before you can hear, we say go deaf. So sida kushege marhore istimashada labad, or the word go is changing, is badalka halada fian to a bad state, from good state to high to bad state. So changing state kasnowaka. Okay, expression saddexaad ama use of the word go. Number 3, kasnowa give direction. Give direction. Now, give direction waside. Wahandones, maybe the rawal bata, you are a driver and you want to go from one village to another village. Kabahadi, you are not sure, you are lost. You can ask your friend, walalo, wadadan. Is it going to village ABC? Because I'm coming from village XYZ. Does it go to, right? Does this road go to the airport? Rather than maraisa mia. Il halkas moi kasna isokor. Maanta ashar badan waksusiya Somali English kane sokor halka comment ka. All right? Good. So, in English, I want to go to the airport, right? And I am not sure I am on the right road, I'm on the wrong road. So I can ask, does this road go to the airport? Yani watilmam uhandone sa ina tego airport. Ka example abad or hab kan istimasha de hadka wa Hawaii. I think this road goes to whether there's kiligisa luglaan ma adayo lakin watilmam wayan, you're giving direction. Yeah, you want to reach from point A ila point B. I think so. So habka farat no ha disappear. So disappear kasi lumis. I think it's Somali is lumis because if I put my pen, this is my pen, I put it over there on the board, and then I turn away. When I come back, my pen has disappeared. So I can say, when I looked on the board, my pen had gone. When I looked on the board, my pen had gone. Yani, so it's lost. So disappear can, amago or habka farat, you can use to mean something is missing. Mark hore lagteda osasar kemis kakortisa amadushisa kabahadi mel banan kabatekte. When I come back, my money baba, it's missing, it's gone, disappeared. So that is how to use the word go, the 4th method. And the 5th and the last method is to fetch. So kado. All right, go to my room, Ali. Hey, okay, go to my room and get me my phone. Okay, go and get. So kado, go and get. Yani so kado ani soken. You stay here and I'll go get the bags. Ani adi osafarwa aden so shanda de borsoyal they're in the bags fanten. So I say to you, adiga halka sona so ani shanda da oksokade, I'm going to get the bags for you. All right, just as a recap, there are 5 ways today how to use the word go. Wasida adi tagin maha wa hab kakale. Mediko ko word wa hawa marka ada yo mel ino shekeyo ama ino to do an activity. Wa kabad of hisale activity, fun activity. Go swimming, go sightseeing, go shopping. Oh, I love shopping. Do you love shopping? All right, I like to go shopping every Thursday. How many times do you go shopping? Answer at the comment below. Right, kan labano Hawaii go to mean change is badalka, especially change from good to bad. Mark hore you have long hair, hadenetin tadawe gabte, ama we finish it is finished. We say go bald, ama go gray. Go gray manaisa we net. You become an old person. Number 3, no Hawaii go. To give direction, go. Does this road go to the airport? Number 4, no Hawaii lumis. Go to mean disappear. And number 5, wa go to mean Hawaii fetch. Go to mean fetch, labu use 2 words, go and get. Adi Adam Asanteni, thank you for watching this video and I'll hit you back in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.